This video might destroy colorful design for you forever. Why? Because once you see this, you will never going to look at premium the same way again. Very quick question. Have you ever noticed why white iPhone box feels premium than a colorful and more shiny one? Same way, the quiet cafe feels richer than a loud and decorated one. Also, have you ever noticed we are moving toward minimalism, right? Are we not trusting less more than the more things? So actually, we didn't change, our mind did. 10 years ago, bright color feels exciting, right? But now it feels exhausting to us. Too much design, too much font, and too much explaining. So somewhere along the way, we all started feeling that simple is more premium. And trust me, Apple saw it very early. So if you notice, the logo of iPhone doesn't get louder with the time, it got quieter. So if you notice their very first logo, which was once a rainbow, where it's very playful, loud, it seems like they want to prove something. But after some time, it becomes classy, right? Polished, very aspirational, and now flat, monochrome, almost silent. Because when brand is confident, they doesn't need to shout. So this isn't about fashion or this isn't about the trend. This is just a thing that we want to survive. So minimalism isn't about less design, it's about less noise. And in this world where everyone's seeking your attention, calm thing wins. So hi, I'm Shivangi and welcome to Life UX of episode 8, and this time I'm going to talk about something minimalism design. So, if you ever feel distracted by all these noises and you couldn't explain, so this video is for you. If you like to understand everyday life through psychology, UX, and human behavior, you are in the right place. Let's get into the video. When we study human behavior, we notice something very uncomfortable. If something is that our brain is tired, not lazy, not distracted, just tired. And why? Because as you see, the designer tend to establish the design trends and everything. It's not. Generally, design changes just because human behavior changes with the time. It's not because the designer want them to see. So I'll give you a very simple example. Let's take it as we are getting notification every day. We check WhatsApp, Instagram scrolling, videos, YouTube, screens, choices, opinion, life decisions. There are so many things, okay, where our brain needs to focus. And when we start and maybe when we go to rest, that time it also feels very noisy to us. So that is the only reason when we see something very colorful or maybe very loud, our brain doesn't think, wow, it's very beautiful. No, our brain just simply think in a very straightforward way, okay, not more work, please, not more work, something like that. And that is why we start moving forward toward minimalism and simple designs. So this is the reason why minimalism design feels expensive to us. It's not because it's stylish, but because it asks less from us. So, minimalism design does three powerful things. The first one, it reduces thinking. Your brain relaxes, and relaxation these time feels luxurious to us, right? Second, it signals confidence. When you become a confident, you doesn't scream for attention, right? And the third one, it gives you a space. So when something missing which is intentional, and that moment intentional feels expensive to us. So luxury isn't about something decorative. Now these days it's about effortlessness. That is why a black outfit feels richer. A quiet person feels powerful to us. A clean website attracts more. And also the calm voice feels authoritative. Because nothing begging us to look at them and there is no one screaming for attention. And this particular fact, our brain respects it. So if you want anything in your life which feels premium, maybe it's your content, maybe it's your brand, maybe your work, and maybe it's just you, your presence. So just do these little things. First, remove before you add anything. In everywhere, in anything in your life, okay? Give space, give breathing space in your things in your life. Then only you can attract more meaningful things in your life. Speak less, listen more, mean more, right? Take a moment for anything before you decorate anything, before you take decision for anything, because this is the time when you get influence with your surrounding and you might take a wrong decision. So clarity is not boring nowadays. So yes, when you design for calmness, people will trust you. When you speak less, people listen more. And when nothing screams, everything matters that moment. So this is not design, guys. This is just a human behavior, right? And you are watching my video very first time, so please do subscribe and hit that bell icon, so whenever I post something interesting, you will the first person to know. So I'll meet you in the next video.